In this video we are going to discuss how to install Mendeley and how to use. So in order to install using the Mendeley, first you need to download the desktop version of Mendeley, or you can directly use Mendeley online also. So first you have to go to the website of Mendeley, and there you have to download the Mendeley means desktop edition. So you can see here that the download option is all given at the right corner of the website, and it will show you the page where you can download for the different platforms. If you bring down, you can see you can download for Windows 7 or later, or if you are using the Mac OS or Linux. So I am using Windows 7, so I am going to download this. So it will give you the option to download. You can store it in your respective place. Since I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it. And once it is downloaded, you need to install this software in your system. So let us see how we can install. I have downloaded, my software is here, so I just have to double click this software and it will pop up the window where I need to confirm the security warning. Yes, I want to install it. So it will process and may take some time. You have to choose the option, just click on next, agree the license agreement, and then here you have to see where you want to install the destination folder. So by default it goes to the C program files Mendeley desktop. If you want to change it, you can change it here also. Then go to next and click on install. So it will install the software in your C program file folder with the name Mendeley desktop. So after installing, it will pop up the screen of Mendeley, and you have to wait till it gets installed successfully. It's been installed successfully now, and it is asking me to confirm whether I want to run the Mendeley desktop or not. So just click on finish, and you will notice that it will start the Mendeley desktop screen. You can see here successfully we have done it. Now it is asking to enter the email ID and password. So far I have not registered my name. So what I need to do, that first we have to click on register button, and it will take you directly to the Mendeley website where you are supposed to register the name with your email ID and password, so that the same email ID and password can be used to log in with Mendeley. So just click on register, and when you click on register, it will directly take you to the website, the registration page where you can create your Mendeley account. So I'm just going to give my email address and my name, and password you have to enter. The password you have to keep a secured one, or little, you can say, the strong in nature, so that it cannot be traced by anyone, and then click on continue. So it will take you, it is asking me to save. Yes, I can save in my desktop. And now it is confirming to complete the public profile field of study. By default it is listed in the Mendeley registration portal, where you have to choose your study area, in which area you are working or you are doing your study. So let me take, if I take the social sciences, and what is your academic status, so I'll take that I am a librarian, and then create account. So what it will do, it will create your Mendeley account, and allow you to work in Mendeley with your login ID and password. Login means after first time, so directly it will take you to this page where by default it is asking you that you can add your profile detail. Okay, so you can download the desktop application, you can download it on mobile also, and you can download up means add your first document or upload document from your computer. You can create your profile, all these you can do it, but now we are not going to do here. We will directly go to the desktop edition which we have installed and we will start working there. So I'm just going to go to my the Mendeley desktop window. So I log in with the same user ID, that is the email ID and the password, and then I'll click on sign in. So I can notice that it will allow me to connect to Mendeley. Yes, it has allowed me, and first time if you are doing it, then it will show the welcome to Mendeley screen, and also it will show the reference manager and citation plugin, the what is the status. So directly you can, if you are doing it first time, you may not have this, because since I have already installed the citation plugin, so I'm getting the installed and the this status as installed. But if it is not there, then you need to do it manually, installation of citation plugin, that I'll be taking care in the next video. So I'll just close this, and now you can see the Mendeley desktop, and here this is the ready-made guide. You can skip it or you can see it. Due to essential maintenance, Mendeley may not be available for some users between 8 AM and 9 AM on November 1st. We apologize for any inconvenience. This is the message I am getting from the Mendeley, and you will also be getting this. So I'll just close this one now. So I maximized this, and now this is the Mendeley screen. So far we have discussed that how to download the Mendeley and how to create the means user account and how to log in Mendeley desktop. So in this video we have seen, and I hope I have been able to make you understand that how to create user and login. In next video we are going to see some more option in Mendeley. Thanks for watching this video.